Siyabingelela ubingelela baba udokotela baba uSizwe baba uJabule Mfana nje muhle ungathi uyikhehla lomlo umzulu wamancengezi. Bantu bakithi ake sinitshele nje besishutha every 4 weeks. Namhlanje sesizoshutha ama video awu2. Sishutha twice a week, twice a month, it's done. Siphumule futhi shuthi nje ama video enimeni wabona anisezwabona ngendlela enwabona ngaye kusentamba izoba nje once off because into esiyifunayo lo ebengimqashile uApple, he was a workaholic, and then fine, it's okay, we parted, but lo enginayo ngifuna ngenzela ama video awu2 kuphela, kwazi kumehlisele nemali encane umhola phela amashanga nawo nika imali eningi uthi nje kancane lo mali omnika yona umegoloza umtshela uzobiza ngaphoyisa. This is Babu Dokotela Baba. This is Babu Dokotela Baba. I'm not saying anything bad about you, right? Please understand. I'm just telling people that we've got a new guy, and I'm talking very good about you. That's all. We are just celebrating, appreciate the fact that we are here now. Baget, our topic today, we're doing shoot 7. Our topic is odd year. This is the odd year. Trust me with this. I'll make you understand why are you putting things together and making it. Because the year is odd. It's not for you. It's not for you. The 786 code. How to prove it is real? Hey, uyabona into engiyithandayo ngama saints Islamic saints. They are so potent. Listen to me carefully. Islamic saints, they are so potent. They are often called friends of God. They don't judge you as if you are an infidel. They cannot help you. They cannot help you. They are so potent. Listen to me carefully. They are so potent. When I introduce you to this code 786 KGN, I accept you to the level that you will now open the door of poverty and you are closing it. And no one will open it for you. Trust me, I have testimonies that are out of this world. There was no way I could have afforded to purchase a brand new car. Kungakaholi muntu. I-paperwork ibingakusupport lokho. Imoto ebengihamba ngayo mina ibisena 12 months ungakaqedi khona 12 months. There was nothing wrong with my car. Ngihamba ngiye India to these saints. I left here. I bought a car before I left. Ngishiye mina imoto mina. Ngihamba ngiyale. Uma ngibuya ngathenga enye imoto futhi. And I employed more people. Not I reduce my staff. Njengamanje I'm a trading and leading traditional practitioner. I'm not a traditional healer, I'm a traditional health practitioner. I'm a leading by far when it comes to employment equity. Ngiqashe abantu besifazane nabantu besilisa. Hayi uthi ngiqashe abangani bami nezihlobo zami. A person ongishuthayo is a Tanzanian. It's got nothing to do with me. And then omunye olekelelayo akahlanganisela no. Nomunye ozongena la nozoshutha la akahlanganisela. Ngisho ukuthi nje lezi zinto introduce yona, we are not setting up a trap for devil. Trust me with this. I am not setting up a trap for devil, but I'm exposing you to things that you were grossly undermining with an idea that those things are haram. And haram. Lento engikunika yona ispeliti. Iziyalo lezi amaqiniso lawa ongaphila ngawo kuphileke. Mengithi mina ngine credit card enemali wena ongathenga ngayo RDP House. Mengithi mina ngine bank account right ukuthi wena ungathatha as a retirement uthi ngaphunyula imali engaka ngaretire. You just don't understand. Ngiyakunika le code 786 kwacha katnawazi. Ngiya-expose into eziyimfihlo. Slowly ngizozicela imfihlo zonke ukuthi nginikezele because iziningi ema-suitcase I cannot just ngikunika yonke into. Yabo? Lalela-ke iqiniso lithi spare some time uze kubaba udokotela ngikunika i-code. Phone wherever you are ngikunika i-code ufaka 1460 rand ngikuposele i-code. Imisifika i-code uyayifumbatha kakhulu, uyayibiza i-code bhuwani yakhumpa yami yakhumpa bhuwani yakhumpa yona uyitshela i-code ukuthi ufunani. Simple as that. Ngeke uzohlula lona. Hayi ukuthi uyachatha uhlaba imbuzo uhlaba impongo cha sikufaka into ene right. This is baba udokotela baba uSizwe Jalo Mfana Mhleje ekhehla umzulu amancengesi. Nginombuzo abayibuza abantu wona kufuna ngokuphendula ukuthi how do I prove that 786 it is not a demonic code? It is not a demonic code. Number one, do we all understand the word demon? What does it mean? That we don't understand. The meaning esinayo, it is taken from the Christian background. Ongilalele futhi ongizwe. I-meaning onayo ngegama elithi demon, it is taken or copied from the Christianity background. Because in Chinese, ungangitshela something different. In Hindi, in Gujri, in Bhangra, ungangitshela something different. In Parki, ungangitshela something different. Then don't use one source to execute an answer. Don't use one source. Start to know more about, because kunabantu namhlanje abayitshethe ngishaya ingane zabo ngekama. But awunayo ishow ukuthi ingane zabo ngempela yini. Latheka nona uyihalela sengihamba ngekama mina. Wena uyihala uyitshethe ithekeni yakho kubantu. Wena uyihala mina ngihale ngihamba nje yabo. Ngisho don't use one source. Try to verify more, get more. This is babu dokotela bawusiza bawujabula ufana umhlaje ekhehla mzulu amancinci sangesoli futhi ngixolisa. Asiqali lana. The origin of the word demon, it originated from the Greek mythology. Daimon. D-A-I-M-O-N. That alone, it means a spirit or a jinn. Angiqale wait mama ngafusana ngiyafundisa ke futhi. I'm opening a school. It means a spirit or a jinn. What is a jinn now? It could be a jinn or genius. There are two kinds of jinns. There are bad jinns, there are good jinns. There are two kinds of spirit. There are bad spirit and there are good spirit. You understand? That is the meaning of the word demon. When ubungalazi. Kahle kahle mase break it down sekunika ke i-anatomy yonke khona. It is an ancient intelligent civilization. Ancient intelligent civilizations. Because utwazi ukuthi lento engikunika yona iyalo nje zamaqiniso, iziyalo nje zamaqiniso. Ake siphume lapho singene kwi-global politics. What is happening in Congo, DRC, eastern side of Congo? What is happening in Kyiv? What do we know about Kyiv as South Africans? We don't know anything. We only know about M23. Who was M23? Who is M23? What is happening in Goma? Why are there so many foreigners in Goma? What are they doing there? In Kyiv, why there are no foreigners in Kyiv? Why South African companies and other companies are mining in Kyiv and Goma, especially in Goma? What is so exciting about Goma? And then I was uzibuza le nto leyana. During the times of demarcation kusikwa umngcele babuzwa yena abantu baseGoma ukuthi bafuna ukwela eRwanda noma bafuna ukwela eDRC. They were not given the opportunity to choose ukuthi wait. Uma senithi niyasika thina, we are not Congolese, we are Tutsis. Sifakene ngapha kwiborder yase Rwanda. Laba bantu labana originally bangamatutsi. Umhlaba olaphayana udliwa ama-foreigner, akekho umuntu ongahambi lapha, wonke umuntu uyayimbele. Kumbiwe umcebo ongabasizi ngalutho. Global companies enza ama-cell phones or Elon Musk, they are very rich through land, and they're fed up now because i-poverty eseGoma it is iyamangalisa. Uthi how come abantu abahlezi phezu kwento enkulu ngami upresident okhona lo hlama lo lapha usayida nabantu abakhohlakela ukuthi abaqhubeke bantshontshe umcebo wabantu baseCongo. That alone, it strikes the energy ukuthi no, they must stand up now and do something about what is happening. And then asinawo upresident ongavuma ukuthi eBhishi lase Richards Bay akungena ama-foreigner amayine noma yini ayifunayo lapha. Abantu around Richards Bay babe poor by far. Akazi kusibe nelizwe thina African nama countries amaningi angahlukahlukene. We do have problems in other countries, but it is worse in Congo DRC. Yini ngandle bangwa lapha yana. That is what strike M23 ukuthi yenze lokho kwenzile. Comes to M23 babu dokotela about the death of our soldiers. Into eyenzekayo laphayana we are not listening carefully. When usebenzisa indlebe eyodwa yokuzwa, lesibili uyayivala. Ask yourself, who are we in Africa? What is our rank in Africa? How good are we in terms of special forces training, ground, air, land, and sea? How good are we? How come we'll be embarrassed and 14 of our heavily trained soldiers could be killed? The answer is, wena okuzwanga kuphelele. Abakutsheli ukuthi South Africa's defense, they killed how many M23 rebels? You don't know that. You don't have the stats. And you are not rushing into knowing that. They killed numbers of them. In the battle, somebody has to die and die. Amdubula umuntu engakudubuli. And then as now, abantu abafaka amaphinifa lapha kade bofa bebulawa ama-rebels. Then abasitsheli lokuthi bangaka abantu ababulewe South Africa in the defense of their base yabo. Unfortunately, kwafa 13 to 14 people. But how many have died? Because laba abantu abafile abase South Africa babulawa ngama-bullets. That you don't know that. Babulawa ama-mortar. Babulawa ama-mortars at night. Engifuna ukusho futhi, this is from Babu Dokotela. I've got no intelligence sources. Abantu ababulela ama-South Africans are the special forces from Rwanda under the uniform of M23. Those are the special forces, highly trained people who can able to fight. There is no one in Africa ready to fight us unless those people are trained in a special forces level. Then they're able to do that because we already eliminated a lot of them. And after they decided to deploy what is called special forces. Number one, M23's got no drones. Who had drones? It was Rwanda. They had drones to see the base. And now we have to stop fooling ourselves. We have to be radical and very, very serious when it comes to Rwandan prisons there. M23 and Rwanda, it's totally different. Abafana laba who are just wearing boots, they are very hungry, they're very tired, they're carrying weapons that they cannot even use to shoot properly. And then we have to be up in our game in terms of intelligence, that we have to know the truth. That people who killed our soldiers there were special forces only, not just juvenile soldiers or troopers. No, that was not. We have to put that fact together and start to be serious, because we are not dealing with people who are grossly undertrained, as much as Western countries report that M23 is grossly undertrained. No. And there's embarrassment that says that South Africa is under-equipped, less trained. That is all rubbish and that is all bullshit. South Africa, the way they are trained in all terrains with less ammunition to defend themselves, because of the kind of training. They did what is called crocodile tears, desert tears, berg warfare, jungle warfare, air warfare, amphibia, land, and parachuting. Then cannot tell me those people who are trained in all spheres of the army and still embarrass them and say they are ill-trained, they are cross-trained, they are under-equipped. No, they were not under-equipped. No, they were not under-equipped. This is Babu Dokotela. This is what I'm going. I guess, Kuluma, I said something to you about the odd year. This year only, it is 25, 23, 27, 29. Those are the odd years. Now, Imanu Zobona, the quality of the odd year. If unga reverse back, ungitshela abantu abashona ngo-2017, 2019, 2001 are the more important people. Most of the time they died kulezo sikhathi. Naloko kuzoba we sick. We are waiting serious people, well-known people to be killed or eliminated. Kulo nyaka 2020, 2023. Labo bantu labo, lot of serious and big companies will close kulo nyaka. More people will be starving. More people will abazobe behlelwe imoto, because people abantu abaningi abazi lutho about numerical numbers and orders. Abantu abazi kune number eyugweje. Lo number imugweje isho ukuthi wena hype your standard, because this year it's not your year. Abantu abazowina la kulonyaka oyi-odd number abantu abazalwe nge-odd number as well, abantu abazalwe ngama-3s 9s bonke lantu abazalwe ngeminyaka yogwetshe, it is their time. Abona kuphela abantu ozobona beqala beprosper, belungelwa izinto, beshada, beshadelwa, bethola imisebenzi eright, bepromoteka, bethenga imoto, beshintsha ama-address ama-resident to the better houses. Abantu bama-odd numbers ibona abathengelwe ingane manje ngeke baze bafe because it's not their time. Indlo unyaka kubona uba-protecte kakhulu. That is why unyaka kaLucifer ku-9. U-333 unyaka kaLucifer lo 33.3 degrees ngokwerenki yamadimoni. 33.3 degrees. That is a satanic rank number. And low rank leyo isho ukuthi it's 9 umuso sesihlanganisa kahle. Isinikaza u9. Engisho ukuthi ubani okwazi ukubala la kunena athi ngikhuluma nabantu ba TikTok wena olapha ku TikTok ongibalele u6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, who can count that? Paris, who just joined, just give us 6 plus 6, or it's 12. Okay, add another 6. Pungane, add another 6. Add another 6. What is the total? It is 18. Okay, is it 18? I didn't know that it's 18. Break it open, 1 plus 8, and tell me what is the number there. 1 plus 8. What is the total? 1 plus 8. Who can tell us the answer? It is 9. Remember, Wendy, that we got this 9 from 666. 666, it is 666. When you match all that together, it gives you 9. 9 is a number of devil. That is why 9 is very important. 9 is very, very important. I don't know why. I was going to tell you the secret. Why banks opens at 9, not at 8, not at 10. I'm not talking about that. I'm telling about 9 so that you'll know what is the meaning of the word 9. That is why serious meetings, don't allow them to start at 9 because you are not going to win. Anything as a show meeting is not yours. Because yeah. Icabanga ukuthi nifundile ke something. Nifundile something. Nalo 666 when said yawazi ukuthi 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 break it up 1 plus 9. 1 plus 1, Pumu 8, that is 9. In Ambaga, Draco. It's an iron god. It's an iron god. A god who doesn't forgive and forget. This is Lucifer himself. Siyabonga.